Any advice for Okta customers?
With regards to this breach, I truly don't think it's significant in terms of customer impact. Always do your IR, always do your due diligence. Go look at your logs from that time frame, see if there were any strange resets. But that breach is not keeping me up at night. What my advice is, and certainly what I've been doing, is contact your Okta reps and make a stink and try to drive the message that I'm not concerned about this breach. I am concerned about how you handled it. And the fact that you waited 3 months and for the attackers to give up the evidence for you to say something makes me have to question, what else are you sitting on? What other security incidents have occurred that you have conveniently not reported? And I'm not saying there are any. I don't know, but that's the problem, that I no longer trust them to tell me. And
Yeah.
I think that's what Okta needs to hear. And be nice to your rep, right? Like, they're caught up in this
Yeah.
too, but make sure you're saying, hey, escalate this to your executive level, because this is just not an acceptable way for a company like Okta to be Okta. So yeah, that's my main comment to all Okta customers is, now's the time to take off the gloves and raise some stink.
Send a WTF to
Yeah.
your Okta rep.